G'day guys, Dallas here from Dunn & Watson. We're just giving you a quick run through today of our adjustable spare wheel holders. So this is one of our Australian made products from our Brisbane workshop. It's made from aluminium, so it's nice and light, but there's plenty of strength in this construction, but when you're hanging that off the rear of your canopy, you don't have to worry about excessive weight at the back. So as I said, this is adjustable, and that's done by changing these bolt holes on this track here, so you can set it to a height appropriate for your tyre. You've got your plate here for the front of your wheel, and that's also on a slotted track as well. So this can be set wherever is going to be suitable for your tyre, and we just pull that in nice and tight. You'll see at the end of this threaded rod, we've got a drill out hole here, so you can run a padlock through these as well, for security for your spare. And it also comes with these two plates, which would go inside the canopy. Obviously this as well would be behind your internal bracing. Then you put the plate on, sandwiching this between your canopy and ensuring it's nice and stable and not going to pull out. So there you have it, the Dunn & Watson adjustable wheel carrier. If you have any questions, please give us a call or flick us an email.